this guy really, his name's Dale, but Rich is the one I got sick with. Dale is the one that, you know what I'm saying, he's like my best friend. I'm missing him, dude, honestly. We used to hang out like every day, man. I want to start this show going here, make it a movie too and stuff, you know, like a little bit smarter, man. But I just couldn't do that because I had to go to work and I got in trouble. Like, I'm scared of court coming with doing this, you know, because Matrix now knows that there's gonna be another big dog in the game. So, and not only I can go to Wall Street, I can do this too. I can do anything. I can do it all. I can freaking, your Jurassic Park movie, right? Horrible. Freaking, you didn't even have a timeline to set up for the future. Like, you guys are so dumb. Gotta get some air in there, baby. I think it works, dude. Mr. Bonner, dude. Mr. Boner. Mr. Bonner. Yeah, I don't know, but dude, if this is worth it alone, that thing's worth 200 bucks, dude. It's on 50. Like 5 or 6 or 7 guns. This guy drove past. He wants that dirt bike. Walking side by side.